Hello and welcome to another Web Manager tutorial. On this one we're going to show you how you can add an email address to your domain name. So if I click here just to log into the Web Manager, and the site I want to, or the domain name I want to add my email address to is ptsremote.co.uk. So I want an email address which is lawrence@ptsremote.co.uk. So here I am in my control panel, and where I need to go to is settings. So I just click settings up at the top right. Okay, so this is our settings page. It has some user details, so I could add new users to give them access to the Web Manager. I could add new domain names to this particular website, and I could add, well, what I want to do now is add an email address to this domain name. As you can see, we've already got fsb@ptsremote.co.uk and info@ptsremote.co.uk. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click add email. Okay, so this is quite straightforward. If we just work our way through the form, so we need to select a domain name. So if you've got several domain names in your website account, you need to select the one that you want to create the email address for. So I want it to be ptsremote.co.uk. The name is whatever comes before the @ symbol, which is in this case is Lawrence. And I want my forward email address. Well, I don't need a forward email address. I could have this so it just sends it straight to my email client on my computer, or I could send it to an existing email address. So in this case I'm going to send it to lawrence@webwam.co.uk. Password. Now it's up to me to decide what the password should be. So it's entirely up to you. Just use something you can remember, but use something secure. If you use something easy to guess, chances are someone will guess it. So make sure it's a mixture of numbers and letters, something that no one will guess very easily, and no automated program out there could guess it either with great ease. So on this one I'm just going to type something in, and obviously the longer the better as well. Now if you want to set an autoresponder, copy and paste the text into here. So if you've got a message that you want to send out to anyone who sends an email to you whilst you're away from your desk, this is the message that will be sent back to them in reply, or in response. And obviously if you want it to actually, if you are out of the office, then you do need to tick this box. At the moment I'm clearly in my office, so I'm going to leave this all blank, and I'm just going to click submit. Firefox asking me a question here. So the email has now been added to the queue. New emails can take up to an hour to set up. So what it's done now is it has added it to my list. I've got lawrence@ptsremote.co.uk, which is going to forward to lawrence@webwam.co.uk, and obviously I can edit that. I'm leaving my autoresponder switched off, and I could, if I forget my password, I can use this option here to change the password to something I can remember. So that's pretty much it. It's fairly straightforward. That's how you add an email address to your domain name. Shortly I will be adding another tutorial which explains how you would link the email addresses you set up here to your computer. So effectively if someone emails lawrence@ptsremote.co.uk, I will be able to receive emails directly on my machine rather than have them forwarded to an email address I've already got set up on my machine, on my computer. So look out for that one. It will be coming soon. It will be using several different email packages because there's lots out there, so I'll probably begin with the Microsoft packages and we'll go from there. Okay, thanks for watching.